how to factory reset your bird buddy. So basically this thing. So you're gonna need everything here except for your bird or this random bird. You're gonna take out this device in the middle until you will have just this, of course. So what you're gonna do is make sure this device has power, and then you're gonna press on this, the middle part of the device. If you can mark it carefully, that thing. This green light should just be a red light if you press and hold this button for around 5 to 10 seconds. And if this green light is like a dark red light for it stops blinking, it's going to be processing the factory reset, and it should just factory reset just like that. Then you have your phone, you log into the app, and then reconnect the device again. But that's pretty much how you can factory reset your bird buddy. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.